Why does it have velocity? Why does it have acceleration? Why does it have momentum? Why does sound have momentum? What is the distinction? What is the disparity? What is the correlation? Are there any sort of coordinates between frequency and amplitude? Why is amplitude loud and frequency may be soft, but yet frequency? What determines the amplitude? What determines the frequency? When you play a note on an instrument, what determines amplitude? What determines frequency? What determines acceleration?
Nevertheless, so what was I saying? This is one unprofessional video. This is the worst guitar tutorial the world has ever seen, I swear.